Hi there. Good morning to all of you present here, and hope you all well. I am very well, and welcome back to my channels Radhe JKB and Speak English with Kumar Vignesh. In this video, I'm going to be talk about some tips related to the success. You think about how to use success. Okay, this right questions, my friends. कैसे हो और क्या करना चाहते हो आप लाइफ में? What are you doing in your lives? What is the purpose of your lives? What is the aims? You written down the aims, and you every day you think about the questions, and then after your questions, when I am the success, okay? When I am the success and I am this past salary, I am the purchase myself, so and be every this black. Okay, that's right. Your thinking, you're right. Your actions, the right. But how to do success? Success is not for the quickly you recover, and the success is not for this accepted this क्या? No. You try to waste your performance, then after you before you think, then after you this actions. It is not for this quickly you recover this positions, not for the satisfy this yourself, you what you this success your lives. You try to speak English, the success. You try to converse with the good people, the success. Then after you the questions, this handling the situations, then after you this questions, then after you the questions. Then after you this sometimes people will just say I am doing the do of the everyday good, or I am this providing my success, I am the happiness, I am this goodness, I am the goodness, everything's a betters of this you the betters. You are the beautiful in the character, this lovely your souls, not with this face is beautiful, or not it is talk about these beautiful people, so they not with a good quality. Okay, then after you have to say success is not for this you quickly. The success require your times equal your lives. You are this spending your times right purpose, right times and the right decision. Then after you know this positions your lives. You are the story every time you are the goodness. You are the family member think about how to this my child, my the sons is a success, and it is my child is the 5 people around this number ones, and this is the think about. Then you are trying to best your positions and best your this your this background. Then after you this most more you study and most more this everyday practice. Without practice, not for the success. Without this, you every time you practice. Then after every time you questions yourself, what I am doing, and with this types of questions every day you see this repeatedly, this yourself this better. Okay. This is the good questions. This is the good activity you are doing every day. This very important thing. I think they guess you this my opinions whenever I am in the study, and the questions every day ask me beginners, what are your study this right way, this clarity about this problem is very better. Your this family members support you, and you are be continually studies. You think about you are be one day 5 hours the study. Okay. You will be go to the library and you the study, then after you they come back your room, then after you the study, because success is required more times. You are did not spend your times, you will not for the success. Okay, then you have to try every day you practice, and then after practice, then it's the end of your lives. You not for the comparison to other people is the success, quickly I am just so late. You are late, then after you the best. Not for the comparison to other people's. You tell me about the why not you, why this the 5 fingers not equals. Okay, why not you tell me about why this 5 fingers not equals? This equals, this position is equals, but each position is not equals. Why? Well, we press me the comment me. Why the reasons? Then God is the creativity is more of the peaceful moment. Not tells anything others. No. People what happened you. Those activity you do the satisfy. Okay, those activity you do every day you will satisfy. Without satisfy or be without time spent, you not for the success your lives.